So what exactly can yoga do for your back? How can you be sure that yoga can help you? It's no secret that the medical community is slowly but surely accepting the idea that yoga can bring at least some measure of relief for persistent back pain, and it is taking notice of how healing yoga can be for back pain. Fred Bush, author at Spine Health, a trusted source of information, in his peer-reviewed article How Yoga Helps the Back, describes how yoga also helps to strengthen the back and nearby muscles, leading to improved posture and alignment. The result is that back pain can be greatly reduced or avoided. According to America's National Institute of Health, yoga is similar to physical therapy in helping low back pain in a diverse urban population. These findings suggest that a structured yoga program may be an alternative to physical therapy for people with chronic low back pain, depending on individual preferences, availability, and cost. Moreover, in National Center for Complementary and Integrative Health, Scientific Results of Yoga for Health and Wellbeing video, there's an overview of a rigorously designed study that shows yoga may benefit people with chronic low back pain, a common and difficult to treat problem. All links can be found in the handout of this lecture. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next lecture.